Products manufactures quality tools for professionals. We make the right tools for crimping, bending, folding, or seaming metal. Top quality products that work hard, enhance performance, and stand up to years of use on the job. At Malco, we believe in American-made tools that work, perform, outlast. Use the Malco C6R crimper overhead or in tight working quarters to downsize stovepipe and round metal duct and create a male connection for joining sections. The offset handles keep your hands off work obstacles with less wrist fatigue.
Precise takeoff holes for running supply air are a breeze with Malco Gold Standard hole cutters. 2 adjustable hole cutter models are available. Choose from a hole cutting range and capacity of 2-inch to 12-inch or 2-inch to 20-inch in 20-gauge galvanized steel. Adjusting for hole diameters is fast and easy, and these economical power-assisted cutters work with a drill you already own. The same mill bit that is used to cut the hole is also used to drill a center hole for the tool's pivot pin located directly under the adjustment knob. No marking is required. The tool is rotated clockwise and should be tipped slightly so that the bottom of the mill bit leads as it cuts sideways. The mill bit can also be adjusted to reveal a fresh cutting edge and prolong its life. Mill cutter bits are easily replaced as a normal wearing part. The larger 20-inch capacity hole cutter operates in the same manner as the smaller model. Both hole cutters feature lightweight aluminum frames and drill shafts equipped with speed bearings to assure perfect cutting balance and long service